Does it might be read me?
Yeah, I got you loud and clear.
It's beautiful today.
Fantastic.
Okay, Chris, it's the Air Boss. It's 6 o'clock straight up. Box is hot. Boats while you're working.
All right, coming in from the south. Who makes up the water today?
Oh, no, not again.
Brian, Air Boss, I got another flock of seagulls coming your way.
Okay. See a couple of them here.
Yeah, there's a bunch. They just took off.
Yep.
Right. Airplane noise must stir them up. That scared them off.
We need a shotgun and lots of shells. Take care of them birds.
Feel free. We don't like them either.
Oh, I know. That's our second boat. No, that is our second boat. Yeah, the red top boat out there, and there's our second boat. Yeah, that's light blue.
talk to Brian. Brian, how you doing tonight, sir?
Hey, Mike, I am doing fantastic. How's everybody on the ground at JelLEEfish Cove?
They're loving it. They're loving it.
Oh, man, what a great day for flying. I'm sure a great day for boating. What a great day to be outdoors. We're not done yet. We're going to let the engine cool off here for just a second. Then I got to push the seatbelt.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, live.
Go get him, bring him in. He's inside the box. Go get him, bring him in.
That big boat, the police is trying to get after them, get them out of the box.
Okay.
There's always somebody else. Come on, cops, go get him. Jeez, you got damn siren and lights. Go get him!
Big one on the north side?
He's on the east side of the river.
Okay.
He's turning in towards shore now. About a 30-footer.
Okay, yeah, it looks like they're clear of the small buoys.
Yeah, he looks like he might be clear now.
I would say they're clear.
Yeah, you can go ahead and proceed. Sorry about that.
Well,
There's the police boat going out there. You can't corral them in.
front roll, Mike.
Thank you.
Sounds good. I just looked at radar. It looks like you're clear back to Massey. There's some stuff bubbling up to the south, but you should be clear back to Massey.
Okay, at Delaware Airport.
See you on. Yeah, there's some stuff popping up over there near Dover, but you might be able to skirt around it.
Okay, right. Where's the actual security zone at?
Alright, I'll report to the east.
He was inside the box. Three orange buoys right there that mark the right side of the box. Okay? Row of orange buoys sticking out on that side. And then there's only three orange buoys down at the other end. So you gotta line up the left inside buoy and the right inside buoy for the line on this side. He was inside. Just where he was. Yeah, where he was not good.